Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to transfer money from your Chime checking account to an external account. If you don't have a Chime account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $100 when you receive your qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more within the first 45 days of opening your new Chime spending account. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Before you proceed, a verification code will be sent to your phone number to help secure your account. Once you receive the code, enter it, then click on Verify. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs on the left side menu. Click on the tab that says Move Money. On this page, you will see another tabs. Click on Transfers. Then a list of options will appear. Click on the Transfer Funds option. Now, select the From and To accounts. So the From account would be your Chime checking account, and the To account is an external account. To select, click on the drop-down arrow on the From and To fields. If you haven't added an external bank account, click on Link Another Account, then follow the on-screen instructions on how to link. After that, enter the amount you wish to transfer. After selecting and entering all the necessary information, click on the Transfer Funds button. That's how you transfer money from your Chime checking account to an external account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.